Okay, new arrival into stock 2025 on a 25 registration. We've been doing a few of these lately. This is the Toyota Hilux Single Cab. Full MASV bespoke conversions on these tax efficient trucks. Make them look fantastic. This is the latest model, so it's the 2025 model, and they've put the new 2.8 litre engine. A few little changes inside as well, but this is a facelift, new shaped truck with a load of new refinements from Toyota. Part of our MASV styling, we've got full gloss black grille, smoked Toyota badge, bonnet guard deflector, all the lower grills, fully colour coded, front satin nudge bar. Now these have been lifted about 2 inch on the suspension to give it a bit more of a aggressive stance. We've got 18-inch gloss black fuel alloy wheels on this one with the Renegade all-terrain tyres. Invincible X styled gloss black wheel arches have been added, along with our bonnet vents, top tint on the windscreen, gloss black wing mirrors, all the Hilux badging. We've got side steps, gloss black door handles, window deflectors, our rear roll bar, full load liner. Now the new model has keyless entry. I'm just going to show you a few features. Keyless entry on these new ones. Got the mud flaps on the back. Look at them wheels, they look absolutely fantastic. Over rail load liner, and look at the amount of room you get in one of these. They're absolutely fantastic. Very practical. If it'd been a work truck or just something to run through your business and get the low benefiting kind, which you can't on a double cab now. So very good choice for business users. Obviously VAT qualifying. Smoke rear lights, gloss black rear bumper, factory fitted tow bar as well. Gloss black Toyota badging. It's got our MASV badging on the back. Rear reversing camera, which is an addition to this new 2025 2.8 model. How good does that look? So inside, I'm going to open up all the manual gearbox on a single cab. So a 6-speed manual. It's a delivery mileage vehicle. It's done about 300 delivery miles. We've got black fabric interior and a big screen. So the previous generation on like a 74 plate single cab had just a standard radio. This has now got a touchscreen head unit that's got Apple CarPlay, so you can get your Google Maps navigations, you get Bluetooth audio, all your equipment like that on the new touchscreen. Air conditioning, all your climate stuff there. Rear diff lock, USB points, eco and power modes. We've got rubber mats, 6-speed manual, multifunction steering wheel. We've got cruise control as well. We've got lane departure assist. Just everything you need in a truck really. We've got little pop-out cup holders here as well. Stop start. So proper remote key now instead of a plain key. That's the Hilux Single Cab Active. Good spec on these new models, and the best engine, the 2.8 litre. Used in the Land Cruiser and the newer Hilux Invincibles and the GRs. It's the better, more powerful engine than the previous 2.4. Two keys with this one. It's a delivery mileage 2025 on a 25 registration. Very rare truck. There's hardly any about. You cannot order them from Toyota at the moment. Very lucky to have a couple, and none will look like this. We're the only company, I believe, so far in the UK doing bespoke single cab trucks. So if you're wanting something that looks a little bit different, which stays in the guidelines of commercial vehicle use for your business, look no further than having a lovely single cab. In stock now. Give us a call, 0777 111 2040, www.ma-sv.co.uk. Finance can be arranged. We do take part exchange. Thanks for watching. Give me a call.